Hi, my name is Rudy Hettrick, founder of Clean Green SEO, and we work exclusively with the lawn, landscaping, and exterior cleaning industry. I joined the agency because I needed a good push. I needed to figure out all the elements that were way above my head. And when I saw, Josh, all his stuff that was happening on Facebook, and I read his book, I knew that I was in the right place. And I just needed to get myself involved with that group and get myself involved with Josh and his programs and just kind of move from there, try to see if I can get out of this rut of just dealing with a handful of clients and being all over the place. So I'm currently only running around, 6 or 7 clients, around $3,500 a month. But they're very low in price. So I have this situation where I'm dealing with these clients on a regular basis, but not making very much money. So currently right now, I don't have any new clients yet. I'm very, very new in the program, about 2 weeks old. So I'm really pushing hard to get more clients, and I'm going through the program as suggested, implementing the things I need to be implementing. I'm not skipping any steps. I'm not moving ahead. So, getting a lot of support saying that you're just around the corner, these new clients are going to come. So I'm really excited for that. Yeah, so this has opened the door for me. It's opened up a lot inside, a lot of fears that I've had. I've had to do things already in the last 2 weeks that I never thought I ever could. I've had to overcome a lot of fears to pick up the phone and call people I've never even met and do things that I've never even done and be focused and make sure that I'm sticking to the program. And that takes dedication. That takes, you have to really want what this is in order for it to work. And, it's really opened my eyes up to a lot of things that I need to make sure that I'm focusing on. So it has changed my confidence level. I'm even just happier, even though I'm working my butt off. I'm still happier, more content than I've ever been. I'm more productive. I feel efficient. I feel like I'm on the right track. So it's just great. I'm happy, very happy. If you want to join the 7-figure agency or considering it, this isn't, taking a diet pill. This isn't you put the pill in and you're going to be rich. This is something that they show you how to do on a daily basis, all the things that you need to do on a regular basis. So if you're committed to wanting to grow and scale your business, like Josh is, and like many of the other members are, this is the perfect program for you. I've never seen anything like it. I've done lots of coaching, been in coaching programs before, and I've read lots of books. Nothing gives you the guidance like this program does. So if that's you and that's what you want to do, then definitely you need to join this program.